This video is sponsored by Value Testers. For a complete line of specialty work-related tools, biggest selection, and best pricing, when you need to upgrade your tools, think Value Testers. Create a free login for best pricing. Link in description below.
Morning, guys. It's September 3rd, 2018. This one here, we're going to do the sporlan giveaway. The second sporlan giveaway that they sent the stuff. There's going to be 3 winners. And what you're going to need to do is, I'm going to pick 3 winners. And this is my email address right here. If you're one of the winners, you're going to leave me your name, your full address, your email, and your phone number. And what I want you to do for the 5th thing is, in the comment section below the video I'm making now, if you win, just leave me a comment down below in the video, and I need you to leave me your street and your state. No, you don't have to put the number down of the street. This way here, when you send me the stuff in the email, it matches up, and I know the people aren't trying to scam me to get the stuff for free. Because every time I do a video, there's always guys from different states and from New York trying to have me send them the stuff. I'm the winner, and well, I got to confirm it. So if I do it this way, I can confirm that the state and the street under your comment, and then once you send me the stuff, I can match it up, make sure, and I'll send it right out. So there's going to be 3 winners. The first winner will be the multicolored hat, the two different style hats, and the second and third one is exactly the same price. So I went over that. I think there's like 500 comments. So just wanted to do it. We're gonna go to my YouTube channel and we'll pick the winner. So that's what it's going to be. There's my email. s.lavimoniere@comcast.net. Alright, guys, hopefully you'll win.
Alright, guys, we're over here at my pocket sporlan giveaway. Creative Studio. I think it was like 500 comments or something like that. And the comments gotta say pocket sporlan giveaway, like I had said on the here we go, last week. It was a week ago. It's Monday. Pocket sporlan giveaway. 507 comments. 218 likes. Alright, so 507. So we'll go over here and we'll find it on my main page. Right here, pocket sporlan giveaway. We'll click on this. We'll copy link address. And we'll go to random.org and put it in there, and it's going to be 3 winners like I talked about. YouTube random picker. Alright, we'll enter this in here. We're going to hit this orange button over here. It's filtering. There we go. Eligibles 444. So some of the people that are blocked from my channel and stuff like that, and duplicate, they won't show up. Alright, so I hit the start button. Now there's gonna be 3 winners. It's gonna say okay, pocket sporlan giveaway. Pocket sporlan giveaway. Amazing heating. Yeah, I have to write that down. So that's the that's gonna be the number 1 winner. That's the one that's gonna get the 2 different color hats. Okay. So it's all right, and then we'll pick another winner. Start. This is going to be winner number 2. Pocket sporlan giveaway. Okay, so he's eligible to win. Makita Man. And they're going to pick the 3rd winner. Pick the 3rd winner. Pocket Sporlan giveaway. There we go. There's the third winner right there. So if you guys are one of the winners, leave a comment in this video and email me your information. Like I said, I need in the comment section below just your street you live on and the state you're in, and then as long as it matches up with the stuff that you send me to my email, within 2 days I'll ship the stuff out to you. Right, guys, Sporlan's a good company, and you know, I'm glad that they sent the stuff and I was able to do this giveaway for you guys. Alright, thank you and have a good day.